Sir, in your presentation, you were telling us about what industry demands.
That's right.
So, there are many institutes who are into this. So, what do the institute needs to teach to bridge the gap between the industry and the institute?
See, today media institutes are focusing mostly on technical training. Now, in addition to technical training, it is necessary to impart some basic learning in a range of fields. Students must know something about humanities and social sciences. Students must know something about technology. Students know basics of management sciences. Because every filmmaker is also an entrepreneur. Every ad filmmaker is also an entrepreneur. So in the profession of media, you have to be almost operating like an entrepreneur. Unless you're in the initial years, you may be working as an assistant, but soon enough, as soon as you become even a technical person, like a camera person, is a professional freelancer. He needs to understand the business in which he is in, and what are the flows, how is this changing, how is technology affecting the business. Now, all these issues must be covered at the media school. It is important that students learn all this.
So, which soft skills need to be polished well to get into this field?
Very often our students don't really have command over language, but which can easily be tackled. What I think is more important is interpersonal skills. They must be in a position to relate and connect with people. Communication is all about connecting. So the basic skills of connecting is and fortunately for everybody, these skills are trainable. These are not untrainable skills. So that is an area which needs to be given due attention.
Sir, in India, more of the people prefer offline, like face-to-face is, more of them prefer this. But online, how long will it take to, online be more published and more better in India?
See, clearly the future is digital, in all aspects of life, whether it's media or whether it's entertainment or whether it's education. Digital is the future. Now, how we combine the power of the digital medium with the power of personal communication is something that we have to explore and find out. Nobody has the answer to that. Everybody knows digital is the future, but how to exploit that future is something we are still all exploring. Nobody has full answer to this.
So, in the last question, what opportunities do the youngsters have in this field?
The opportunities are really growing at such a speed that you can't keep pace with the sheer speed at which they are growing. As I imagine, in few years' time, filmmaking industry will be completely different from what it is today. You will have all kinds of young filmmakers carrying their small tiny cameras, making their own films of different durations, not necessarily of the kind of time format that we have today. The kind of platforms will be very different. Internet will be a platform. The telephone delivery will be a delivery platform. It will completely be a different, and I'm not talking about 20 years, 30 years. I'm talking about 5 years, 7 years kind of phenomena. It's going to change. Okay.
Thank you.